The toddler years are all about growing independence, curiosity, and confidence. We focus on everyday caregiving moments like mealtimes, hand washing, and transitions. These one-on-one interactions build strong relationships, support language development, and help toddlers feel safe and capable. Toddlers learn best through hands-on exploration. So our classrooms are rich with sensory experiences, opportunities to explore cause and effect, and movement and outdoor time each day. Teachers use a small group approach, allowing children to learn at their own pace, while encouraging cooperation with peers. We also intentionally build independence by helping toddlers with self-help skills, like feeding themselves, cleaning up materials, and making choices throughout the day. We partner closely with families to ensure each caregiver and child feels supported. Because at Bright Horizons, toddlers aren't just learning what they can do, they are discovering who they are.